Have you ever found yourself needing to clear out a database but felt completely lost on how to do it? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to delete all entries from a specific table using the Room Persistence Library. I totally get it. Dealing with databases can be tricky, especially when you want to drop a table but can't find the right information. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I delete all entries on a specific table using the Room Persistence Library? They mentioned they need to drop the table but couldn't find any guidance on how to do this. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with deleting entries in Room? The Room Persistence Library is designed to manage SQLite databases in a more efficient way, but sometimes you just need to wipe the slate clean. Understanding how to do this is crucial for maintaining your database effectively. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your database even better. You won't want to miss it. To delete all entries from a specific table using the Room Persistence Library, the user should first create a Data Access Object, or DAO. This DAO will contain the method to delete all entries. Next, the user needs to implement this DAO in their database class. This is where the Room database is defined, and the DAO is linked to it. After that, the user should call the delete method from the DAO. This can be done from a background thread to avoid blocking the main UI thread. Finally, the user should ensure that the database is properly migrated if they are changing the schema. This is important for maintaining data integrity. Fun fact, did you know that the first databases were just flat files? We've come a long way since then, and now we have powerful tools like Room to manage our data efficiently. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution suggests creating a function called clear and reset all tables. This function begins a database transaction and attempts to clear all tables while also resetting the auto-increment values. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. One alternative solution suggests using Rx to delete all entries from a specific table in the Room Persistence Library. You can achieve this by using a simple query. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach to deleting all entries in a specific table using the Room Persistence Library involves first selecting all rows with a query. You can use the @query annotation to retrieve the data and store it in a list. Next, you can use the @delete annotation to remove all entries from the table by passing the list of objects you retrieved. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One alternative solution provided by a user involves using Kotlin to delete all entries in a specific table. First, they suggest injecting the Room database into your activity using dependency injection with Coin. Then, you can simply call the clear all tables method. Additionally, the user mentions updating preferences after clearing the database, ensuring that certain flags are set to false. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests using the Device File Explorer to delete all entries in your Room database. Simply navigate to your app's data folder and remove the files inside the databases folder. Here's that great tip I promised. Regularly review your database structure and clean up unnecessary entries. This will keep your app running smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. You now know how to delete all entries from a specific table using the Room Persistence Library. Remember, maintaining your database is key to a smooth application. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.